Let's try to solve this problem about arithmetic sequence. For number 1, we have 3, 8, 13, 18, and we have to find for the 21st term. Ano daw yung value ng 21st term given the arithmetic sequence 3, 8, 13, and 18? Okay, to solve for this, we have the formula a sub n is equal to a sub 1 plus the quantity of n minus 1d. But before having the formula, let's identify first what is n, what is a sub 1, and what is d. Okay, yung n is the number of terms. Since we are finding for the 21st term, ang n natin will be 21. Ang a1 natin is the first term. In this case, ang first term natin ay 3. And for the difference, we have to get the common difference. So we just have to subtract the two consecutive terms. 18 minus 13 is how many? 5. 13 minus 8 is also 5. 8 minus 3 is also 5. So the common difference is 5. Now we have here a sub n is equal to a sub 1 plus the quantity of n minus 1d. We are going to substitute the values. Dahil ang n natin ay 21, so we are going to have here a sub 21 is equal to, what is our a sub 1? We have 3 plus, ang n natin ay 21 minus 1 times our common difference, which is 5. Let's solve. We have here a sub 21 is equal to 3. Unahin nyo na sa parenthesis ha, PEMDAS tayo. So, 21 minus 1 is 20, correct? Times 5, okay? So, we have a sub 21 is equal to, what is 20 times 5? Yun ang uunahin ha, multiplication first. We have 100. So, we have here 3 plus 100. So, the 21st term in the sequence is what? 103. Because 3 plus 100 is 103. Okay, now you try for number 2. We have here the sequence 2, 10, 18, 26. Find for the 30th term. Ngayon, kung naintindihan ng video na ito, mga anak ko, please i-comment yan sa ating comment section, ha? And please like and share our videos para marami pang matuto sa math. And don't forget to follow for more. Bye!